Hello dear students, welcome back. Today we'll discuss few phrasal verbs. As you know, phrasal verb is a very important part of our English language. Directly 8 marks depend upon the section and indirectly 25 marks through composition part. Right? Practice and understanding required. Alright, let's begin. Our first sentence is she was put dash when her friends did not support her. You can pause the video and fill the correct preposition in it, and then you can go through the answer. First answer is out. She was put out when her friends did not support her. What is the meaning of put out? Write down the meaning. Put out means upset. She was upset when her friends did not support her. In the place of upset, you will use put out. Second sentence, I will put you dash to Mrs. Khan's office. What will be the correct preposition here? I will put you through to Mrs. Khan's office. The correct phrasal verb is put through. What is the meaning of put through? Put through means continue with and complete something. Means I will continue with you to Mrs. Khan's office and I will complete the further work over there only. I will put through to Mrs. Khan's office. Alright. Number 3. The thief ran dash with all the money. Correct word is ran away. The thief ran away with all the money. What is the meaning of ran away? Ran away means leave a place secretly. The thief left a place secretly. As you can see, the change of the verb according to the tense. The thief ran with all the money. So we have used ran away in the place of leaving a place secretly. Alright, number 4. His patience is running dash. Answer is running out. His patience is running out. What is the meaning of run out? Run out means finish off something. Means he is running out of patience. Means his patience is like finished. Or we can say he is on the edge of the patience. Now number 5, she set dash for new work. She set dash for a new work. Correct preposition is out. She set out for new work. What is the meaning of set out? Set out means begin a journey. She set out for New York. She began a journey for New York. Change of the verb according to the tense. South Korea have set dash a new computer company in India. Our sixth sentence, the correct word is up. South Korea have set up a new computer company in India. Set up means to build something. South Korea have built a new computer company in India. South Korea have set up a new computer company in India. Number 7. Please take your goggles dash when you go inside a building. Correct word is off. Please take your goggles off when you go inside a building. What is the meaning of take off? Take off means to remove an item from your body. Means when you take off your your blazer, or when you take off your goggles, when you take off your slippers. So when you remove any item or something from your body, it's called take off. Please take off your goggles when you go inside a building. Or you can say please remove your goggles when you go inside a building. Phrasal verbs, what they do, they actually adorn your language. They adorn your speaking or writing part, right? They decorate it. Phrasal verbs, figure of speech, they are the ornaments of English language, right? They just decorate that. When you go to a party, you dress up yourself. You put on new clothes. You put on nice ornaments, jewelry. In the same manner, when you want to present your sentence, when you want to present your writing part in a very beautiful way, you need to use phrasal verbs and figures of speech. Alright, next sentence number 8. My friend takes dash her mother. My friend takes after her mother. What is the meaning of takes after? We have discussed it like numerous times. My friend takes after her mother. What is the meaning of takes after? Take after means to resemble, किसी की तरह दिखना. मेरे फ्रेंड की जो मेरा फ्रेंड जो है वो अपनी मदर की तरह दिखता है या दिखती है, राइट. टेक आफ्टर मीन्स रिजेंबल, किसी की तरह दिखना. नंबर 9. टर्न डैश द डोसा, इट इज़ डन ऑन दैट साइड. टर्न डैश द डोसा. टर्न डैश मीन्स what is the correct word? Turn over the dosa. Turn over means to change the position of something so that the other side is facing the top, right? So here we want to say कि turn over the dosa, it is done on that side. मतलब हम उसको पलट देंगे so that हम उसको दूसरी तरफ भी properly steam कर सकें. Next, turn dash the motor, the tank is empty. What is the correct word here? Turn dash the motor. Turn on the motor. Here turn on means switch on, right? Turn on has many other meanings, but here the correct meaning of turn on is switch on. Next, 11th sentence. Our team carried dash all the prizes. The correct word is our team carried away all the prizes. What is the meaning of carry away? Carry away means lifted or taken. Means our team took all the prizes. As I told earlier, change of the verb according to the tense. You must carry dash many instruction clearly. The correct word is you must carry out my instruction clearly. What is the meaning of carry out? Carry out means to do something. Means you must follow my instruction clearly. Carry out means to do or to follow. Alright? I hope you are noting it down properly in the Fair Language Register. You need to send the picture also of your notes. Number 13. You should cut dash on the amount of coffee that you drink. You should cut back on the amount of coffee that you drink. What is the meaning of cut back? Cut back means to reduce something, to reduce the quantity of something or the meal of something. I mean, how many times you are having it. उस duration को कम करना. तो cut out means cut back means to reduce something. You should reduce the amount of coffee that you drink. Alright, next 14th. After retirement, he had to cut dash his expenditure. After retirement, he had to cut dash his expenditure. Here, the correct word is down. After retirement, he had to cut down his expenditure. Meaning of cut down is यूज़ लेस ऑफ समथिंग. मीन्स उनके जो खर्चे हैं, क्योंकि रिटायरमेंट के बाद सैलरी जो पेंशन होगी वो सैलरी से कम होगी, तो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उनको अपने खर्चों में, एक्सपेंडिचर में कमी करनी पड़ेगी. यस, राइट. तो आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट ही हैड टू कट डाउन हिज एक्सपेंडिचर. ऑलराइट. 15th sentence. I called dash his office yesterday. Correct word is at. I called at his office yesterday. The meaning of call at is to stop at a place for a short time. कुछ देर के लिए कहीं पे रुकना. I called at his office yesterday. मतलब मुझे कल उसके ऑफिस में कुछ देर के लिए रुकना पड़ा. Alright. 16th sentence. This job calls dash good communication skills. Here correct word is call. We have discussed the phrasal verbs of call, right? Many are there. Call on, call at, call up, call in. Many are there. Call over, right? So this job call at good communication skills. In. What is the meaning of call in? This job calls in good communication skills. Call in means requirement of something. मतलब this job required good communication skills or requires, right? क्योंकि this sentence is in present tense. This job requires good communication skills. इस job के लिए बहुत अच्छी communication skills होनी चाहिए, then only you will get the opportunity. Alright, I hope you have noted it down. Call in. 17th sentence. It took a long time for her to get dashed the shock. Get over. Here correct phrasal verb is get over. It took a long time for her to get over the shock. What is the meaning of get over? Get over means to start to feel well again. वापस अच्छा फील करने में टाइम लगा. जब आपके साथ कुछ गलत हो जाता है, आपको वापस अपने हैप्पी स्टेट में आने में टाइम लगता है ना. It took a long time for her to get over the shock. Alright. 18th sentence. Why can't you get along dash your sister? Here correct word is with. Why can't you get along with your sister? What is the meaning of get along with? Get along with means have a friendly relationship. Means why can't you get along with your sister? अच्छा फ्रेंडली रिलेशनशिप क्यों नहीं बना सकते अपने सिस्टर के साथ? क्यों लड़ते रहते हो हमेशा उसके साथ? Why can't you get along with your sister? Alright. 19th sentence. The mob held dash the bus and looted the passengers. The mob held up the bus. What is the meaning of held up? Held up means the correct word is hold up. This is the change of the verb according to the tense. The mob held up the bus and looted the passengers. The meaning of held up is or hold up is block the movement. मतलब जो mob है, mob मतलब crowd, भीड़, लोगों की, बहुत सारे लोगों ने क्या किया, बस को रोक दिया, उसको move नहीं करने दिया, and they looted the passengers. Last sentence. I held dash the secretary's post for 5 years. I held down the secretary's post for 5 years. I held down. Held down means here to keep a job. Means I am keeping a job where on the secretary's post for 5 years. I am keeping a job on the secretary's post for 5 years. Right? Here we have learned 20 phrasal verbs. I hope you all have noted it down. Frame a sentence in your own words and learn it by heart. Thank you all.